Been in the decking industry since 1995. And pretty much every one of our projects is a Trex deck. And we do about 15 to 20 decks per year. I'm Reuben Kemp. I'm a project manager for the Holloway Company, and we build custom decks. We're out here checking out this deck that we just finished with the new Trex signature line. This place is 100 years old, and it was important to us that we preserve the history of the building, so we use the signature line because it's got very authentic wood grain. It complements this space perfectly. One of the main reasons we wanted to use the signature product line was because of its durability. And it's an active restaurant, things get spilled on it, it wipes off clean and easy. It's very durable, as chairs are slid in and out across it, and it's just super resilient. So if you're a contractor, you've never worked with Trex before, it's a great product to work with. It's very durable, it cuts and installs just like wood, but you have very little maintenance. Maybe a little bit of mild soap and a scrub brush, that's it. Some of the decks we go back and service, and decks that are from the early 2000s are still looking great. Most homeowners want a deck that they can actually enjoy. They don't want to spend Saturday and Sunday maintaining it or cleaning it. Another great thing about Trex is the outstanding warranty. Depending on the product line, it's anywhere from decades up to 50 years. It won't ever twist or warp. The fasteners are hidden, so it looks great. You won't ever have to stain it or paint it to maintain it. It's just a matter of wiping it down to keep it clean. In our opinion, as professional deck builders, it's the best product on the market.